So Sophie drives a distance of 513 kilometres on a motorway in France. She pays 0.8 euros for every 10 kilometres she drives. Work out an estimate for the total amount that Sophie pays. Right, if we're estimating, we can use significant figures here. So given that this is given as 10 here, that's quite a nice number to work with. 10 to one significant figure, well, is 10. So if we look at all the rest of them to one significant figure, 513, that's going to leave me with 500 kilometres. And if I look at 0.81 euros to one significant figure, that's going to leave me with 0.8 euros. So obviously that's the European currency symbol. So work out an estimate for the total that Sophie pays. Well, she's driving 500 kilometres and she's paying 0.8 for every 10 kilometres driven. So if we write a 500 under there, I've had to multiply that by 50, meaning that I will have to multiply 0.8 by 50. Well, how am I going to do this? 0.8 multiplied by 50. This is the way that I would do it. I would do 50, and 0.8 isn't overly helpful. I would probably write that as 8 over 10. Makes it a bit easier to see what we're going to do now. Well, we're going to do 50 multiplied by 8, which is 400, and then we're going to divide that by 10, and that's going to leave me with 40 euros. Now, is your answer to part A an underestimate or an overestimate? And what we would put here is that it is a slight underestimate, given that we've rounded down the kilometres and we've rounded down the number of euros. So if we put underestimate due to rounding down the number of kilometres. KMs and euros.